Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to download image from Bluewillow. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. First of all, you will have to be on this Bluewillow server. I will be pasting the link for this in my description box where you can access it from easily, and then you have to scroll down to see until you see this rookie options. You can select any rookie, just make sure to select a rookie that is not very busy so your image does not get lost in all the images. Now I'm going to write a prompt over here. For example, now I'm going to write a prompt over here. For that, I'm going to put the forward slash and then click this imagine option and then write a prompt over here. For example, cat, and press enter. And then I have to wait for a few seconds that Bluewillow generates my image, and then I will show you how to download it. You have to be very patient in this step as this step can take some time, maximum 30 seconds. Here you can see that my image is generated. Now I am going to click this image and then I'm going to right click this image and select save image as, and then save it into my computer. Once I'm done saving it, I will come back. Now after I save it into my computer, I will show you this image in my computer. Here you can see that I have opened this image in my computer, and now you can see that how you can download this image into your computers. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.